take a video about this small device. So control via Wi-Fi by your phone to control this iSpy Mini 777270 model. Okay, we see this is a tunnel. They are on and off here. It's on now. They are light here. Now this is the device to control. SSD number HC. English manual. Now we use the phone to control it. Okay, we see it. You can easily use the phone to control the device just via Wi-Fi. Don't need a Bluetooth. No Bluetooth. Just via the Wi-Fi can take a picture 或者照下去。拍张照片。Take a picture now. We take a picture. I can control it to change the direction. 拍视频啊。Okay, we can see in phone they are camera information. 拍视频吧。Okay, you can easily see it. This is Android Xiaomi phone, Android 4.4 phone OS.
视频。
这是视频啊。
不会怕，好了。
Okay, then we just control the small iSpy camera, iSpy car. You can change the direction to monitor your home and monitor your phone via phone is okay, just a Wi-Fi phone. No control, no remote control, just via phone to control this small device. Okay, over. Finish. 再拍了。We can see the camera is control our house here. Okay, we can see in phone show the camera information. You can change the direction. Okay, that's easy to control it. You need to download the application in your phone and install it to connect the iSpy car. Okay, finished.